Okay, first valet of 2023 will be this Suzuki Bandit 1250. A friend of mine dropped this off yesterday. This is his daily workhorse. 50,000 miles on this old girl, but he thought he would treat it to a bit of Trott love. More than anything, get some corrosion protection on it. I've got a bit of painting to do, a few bits in here and there, getting a bit rusty and paint flaking off. So we're going to do a Trott full Monty valet on this with the added XCP corrosion protection because it desperately needs it. Like I said, this is his daily commuter, 50,000 miles, so it is expected to look a little sad, but it's in the right hands. We're going to do a proper Snowfoam safe wash first, just to loosen up any contaminants. Then we'll give it a pre-wash, pre-soak, degrease, a second wash, and then we'll get it in the studio, get it blow dried, and get some XCP corrosion protection on it, and then we'll crack on with a bit of polishing. Got lots of bits and pieces that need a little attention. We'll probably do a two-stage machine polish on this tank as it's looking a little sad. Like I said, it's to be expected on a 50,000 mile daily commuter, but let's get it protected, so keep it going for the next 10 years. Good old Bandits, like a Duracell battery. Anyway, enough of my jibber jabber. Let's work a bit of Trott magic. This is going to be a hell of a transformation on this. Okay, 3.5 hours in, this dog of a Bandit is coming along nicely. This is a 50,000 mile daily commuter, so it's to be expected. It's a little rough, but we're working our little bit of Trott magic. She's coming along nicely, touched up a few rusty bits and pieces, painted the wheels. Everything's been XCP'd, as this is a daily commuter, so I wanted to make sure it's properly protected. Managed to get all that pitting off the forks. We lightly rubbed those down, put XCP all over, all up underneath the seat. Chain's been degreased. All that back wheel, the paint was coming off. I lightly sanded that, repainted it. I'm just gonna have a little go at this paint work. I mean, it's pretty bad. I don't know whether you can see that. Let me look at that. It is rough. We're going to do a two-stage polish on that, see if we can get rid of a few of those marks, get some gloss back into it, get some depth. Everything is heavily scratched. Anyways, we're going to do a bit of a polish on that, see if we can remove a few of those scratches, get a bit of depth back into it, get the seat back on, and she'll be ready to go. There you go, just over 4 hours. This rather filthy Bandit 1250 has been trotted. I just did a 2-3 stage polish on this tank. This wasn't in for any paint correcting, but as it's a mate of mine and the paint work was so awful, I thought I'd give it a little blast with my machine. Look at that. Not perfect by any means, but oh my goodness, managed to get rid of most all those scratches, got a bit of depth back into it. More than anything, got some gloss back into it. Polished up all the levers, all the windscreen, mudguard, everything's been polished. Like I said, painted a few bits and pieces. This is his daily commuter. More than anything, he wanted to get some XCP on it. You know, a few bits had a bit of rust on it, which we've managed to remove. All the chain, everything underneath been XCP'd, all minted and ready for collection. Like I said earlier, don't forget, we're open 7 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. Give us a buzz, 07966 249 963.